Welcome back to HX Motors. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most futuristic camper van concepts you'll ever see. A Toyota 6x6 motorhome designed for both luxury and adventure. This is a concept vehicle that combines sleek, futuristic styling with practical functionality, and we're going to explore every angle, from the exterior to the interior, and even the performance that makes it a true road warrior. Starting with the exterior, this motorhome immediately grabs attention with its bold, metallic gunmetal silver body. The seamless aerodynamic design is not only modern but also highly efficient, with smooth curves and no visible panel gaps. Its 6 massive off-road tires give it an aggressive stance, while the lifted suspension and reinforced fender flares make it ready for any terrain. The front features a slim LED light bar stretching across the grille, complemented by sharp matrix laser headlights that give it a distinctive, futuristic look. The illuminated Toyota emblem adds a touch of sophistication, and the roof integrates solar panels for sustainable energy on the go. The side mirrors have been replaced with digital cameras, providing a modern, sleek aesthetic while enhancing driver visibility. Every angle of this motorhome screams adventure, while still feeling luxurious and polished. Moving to the interior, this camper van has been designed to maximize space while maintaining premium comfort. Let's start with the driver cabin. The cockpit is nothing short of futuristic. A panoramic windshield offers a wide, uninterrupted view of the road, while the curved digital dashboard stretches from the driver's side to the center console, displaying navigation, speed, and all essential vehicle information in crisp, high-resolution graphics. The steering wheel is multifunctional with touch controls, and the captain's seat is crafted in premium black leather with diamond stitching, offering electric adjustment and full comfort on long drives. Ambient LED lighting wraps the dashboard, creating a modern, inviting atmosphere. Next, the bedroom. Even with a compact layout, the single bed area is thoughtfully designed. The mattress is covered in soft leather with storage drawers underneath, illuminated by subtle underbed LED lighting. A vertical panoramic window brings in natural light during the day and offers privacy with smart glass tinting when needed. The clean wall panels, wood-textured flooring, and warm ceiling lights make the space cozy yet futuristic. Despite being small, the space feels open and inviting, perfect for relaxing after a long drive. The kitchen is compact but fully functional. Matte metallic cabinets, a black marble countertop, and an integrated induction cooktop provide a modern cooking environment. A stainless steel sink with a sleek chrome faucet, a mini fridge under the counter, and hidden storage compartments make it easy to manage essentials without clutter. Soft under-cabinet LED lights enhance visibility and add a luxury feel. Every surface is hyper-detailed, with realistic textures that reflect light naturally, giving it a premium appearance that rivals much larger motorhomes. At the rear, there's a small shower cabin, perfect for quick freshening up during extended trips. The frameless glass door with black trim, rainfall shower head, and anti-slip textured flooring make it functional and elegant. Warm LED lights inside the cabin create a comfortable ambience, and the compact design makes it feel spacious despite its size. Now, let's talk about performance. With a 6x6 drivetrain, this motorhome is designed to tackle both highways and rugged off-road trails. Its reinforced suspension ensures stability even over rough terrain, while the 6 all-terrain tires provide unmatched traction. The powerful engine delivers smooth acceleration on highways and responsive handling through curves and elevation changes, making it a capable vehicle for adventure enthusiasts. Thanks to the aerodynamic design and weight distribution, the ride remains comfortable and controlled, even at higher speeds. The integrated solar panels and advanced battery management system allow for sustainable energy use during long trips, making it efficient and eco-conscious. The overall experience of this motorhome is a perfect blend of luxury, futuristic design, and off-road capability. From the ultra-modern cockpit to the cozy bedroom and fully equipped kitchen, every detail has been carefully thought out to maximize comfort and usability. The exterior is aggressive yet stylish, turning heads wherever you go, while the performance ensures you can go anywhere, from highways to mountains and beyond. This is my own camper van design, and it's a concept that could very well become a reality in the near future. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more futuristic vehicle concepts, detailed walkthroughs, and automotive innovation insights. Thank you for watching, and once again, welcome back to HX Motors. Stay tuned for more amazing concepts, because this is just the beginning of what we have in store. This is my own camper van design, and I hope it inspires your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.